quick practical. So your website is the event. Give me a band, quickly, a band, any band. U2. I love it. You have sat with me before. So U2 is coming to Port Elizabeth, okay? The idea is to drive all the people into the stadium that we've booked for the event. Your website, the landing page for the specific product, don't jumble things up. Focus. I'm going to show you how to focus. That's the event. All the other things you do are posters and marketing we're putting out. Your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever else you're doing. Those are just posters you're sticking up. But the end game in digital marketing is always that you create a web page to serve a specific entry point. So that's what we're talking about creating a specific place, a web page that's specifically designed to serve, this is the only theory we're going to do, to serve as an entry point for visitors who click on an online advertisement or promotional link in Facebook, in an ad, Google ads, wherever. The primary goal of a landing page is to convert visitors into leads. So when I bring people to that poster, the idea is that they come and enjoy U2. That's the end game. But I'm not here to sell U2, I'm here to make money. I'm a promoter, I'm bringing them here and I want to make money. So the end game is to make money. Anybody in business here because they like it and they don't want to make money just because they like it? Go do something else. Very important. If you don't sell value, you will lose the price. There's a very good book you can read by a guy with the name Simon Sinek called Start With Why. And this is what we're talking about, why. Why am I doing this? What am I trying to achieve? Who am I speaking to? How am I going to convince them? And when do I make the money? These are the important things we're going to try and answer today. So the primary goal of that landing page is either to convert visitors into leads or customers, and you should be encouraging them to take specific action. So you either want to have people send a contact form, William, make a purchase, e-commerce. This is the best landing page in the world. This is for Shopify. Who knows what Shopify is? I'm not trying to sell you Shopify, but check how easy I will. So what if I told you that you can bring your business ideas to life for $1 a month? You know, that's the hook, right? And so that's the hook. So the hook here is, let me bring your ideas to life for $1. Then the push is, small here, try it for 3 days. No credit cards required. Just put your email in here. That's the business. There's the lead generation. Just put your email in here, and we'll send you some marketing details. Sorry, I'm battling with phlegm. I'm actually sick at the moment. I'm much better than this when I'm well. So there's the hook. There's the hook, okay? Just put your email address in here, and just a nice printje starting to hint at what this is about. It's about shopping online. But they haven't told you they do e-commerce. So not convinced. Now we need to convince. So, okay, $1 a month is not going to do it for you. You're not convinced yet. So let me try and convince you. Have 3 core value propositions. Value propositions is the answer to the question, what's in it for me? We'll make you customize the thing to look the way you want to. It's free. There's free designs in it. It's going to cost you nothing. It's going to look sexy. You don't have to pay a designer. You save that money. We're going to make it pretty. Oh, and by the way, it's going to take care of everything that's marketing and payment related. We've got a plug-in for Google ads. We've got a plug-in for Facebook ads. We can plug in your website. This is a website. We can check your funnels. We're going to report on everything that comes in. That's very important. And it's safe and efficient. Actually, it's used by millions of people. What's in it for me? Well, these guys, they actually use this platform. Why not you? Value. Now, nothing sells better than a client telling a prospective client how fantastic you are. You can do what you want to. You can never outsell somebody that's satisfied with what you do. I have a stunning review from Liesel and Lorette. I'm really good at this, eh? I didn't know until I read what people said. I'm like, huh? I'm the guy. I'm the guy. Look at this. So Shopify is better than any other platform we've played with, and we've played with them all. By the way, did I tell you you can build your dream business at $1 a month? Does it sound familiar? This is not a mistake. This is on that page, further down. So here's my hook. You can, an emotional hook at the top, right? You can set your dreams a flight for $1. Emotional hook, because some people are emotional buyers, some people are practical buyers. That's why when you do ads in Facebook or whatever, make sure that you also capture emotion. So this is then just a reminder. It's simple, isn't it? It's simple, and you can go and look at it afterwards, Shopify. You can just Google Shopify. So by the way, if you've forgotten, start your free trial. Are you ready to start your free trial? Now, it's not, we don't want to send you anything. The other one was, if you think it's something you'd like, just put your email address. We'll send you some material so you can understand it better. Because some people will stop there. This is further down the funnel. This guy is more interested. Now we're saying, okay, you're more convinced. I've told you what I am and what I can offer you, how I can add value. So why not give us your email address and you can start your free trial right now for $1 a month, and you can use it for 3 months to be convinced. What's the risk? And you still have, and they remind you, you still have the 3 days where we don't charge you anything. So you can use it for 3 months at $1, but remember, I'm just no credit, nothing is required. Just try it for 3 days. Then sign up for $1 for 3 months, and then we talk business after that. Not convinced yet. You've got some questions. Well, let me answer them for you. Google loves, my latest video is out on my YouTube channel. Please go search for it, Riaan Miles, SA. I'm going to plug it at the end here. My latest video I put out last week. I've got a studio. I shot a very nice video on what web designers need from you to create a great lead nurturing website. And in that video, I discuss content in part of it. And one of the things that Google loves is content that answers questions. But if you don't tell people how stuff works, they won't know. So make sure you add a Q&A section to your website. Add value at the top. These are 4 other really good landing pages, also amongst our community, seen as top landing pages. Now that you know the structure, that there's a hook. Oh, the push off the fence, of course, is today only. So always make sure you condense a promotion. That's why it's a Black Friday sale. Now it's a Black November sale. So your hook is, if you come, you're going to get this value. The push is to shove a person into action is, but you can only get that value if you connect with me today. Make sure you make your funnel tight. A lot of people will put value out in a landing page, but they won't close the funnel. They won't have a push off the fence. So people can sit there and it'll sit on the site for 3 months thinking about it. So add value, but also push. There's a give and take. I'm going to give you this $1 a month for 2 months. Or I'm going to give you 3 days. But you need to sign up now. 3 things I want to leave with you today. Perfection is the enemy of progress and profit. Stop trying to get it perfect. Do it, try it, reinvent, try. Reinvent, try. Very few of us will get it right the first time. Don't procrastinate. Perfection is the enemy of progress and profit. Second thing, if you keep on going the direction you're going, the result will remain the same. Change. Embrace change. You're an innovator. You're a planet shaker. You're an entrepreneur. Embrace change. And then the third thing, for me, very, very important, surround yourself with people that are like-minded, maybe more experienced at times than you. Get a mentor. Get somebody that does better than you. How are you going to learn? Go to these events, network, but get going on your business. Love the time with you. Thank you.